Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can create draft classes for franchise in Madden 27. It's pretty easy. All you gotta do, select franchise and select the option create/load. Now select create new league. Doesn't matter if you go for offline or online. I'll select offline for the sake of this video. And you can simply select any of this option. I'll select roster file and they'll start importing your roster. Once that's done, you can simply choose the team you like. I'll select Eagles, then select the coach type. I'll simply save and exit this because it doesn't actually matters to me. Then guys, you just have to hit the option start playing preseason. Once you do that, go to game day tab and here select advanced week and we need to select the option sim to regular season. Select sim ahead. Now once it's completed, you'll see window like this, and here we need to select the first option, which rookies will we see. So select that, select keep auto generated rookies, and here you need to select build the board option. Now select manage scouts and simply go to the first option prospects, and you'll be able to see all of your players. So simply press the key for edit players, which is L3 on controller, and select edit draft class option. Right here you can simply select the player which you would like to edit. I'll simply select this one and we'll able to see window to edit this player. Like you can change the first name of this player like this, and also you can change the position, jersey number, all that jazz. So simply proceed with all these options to change the player however you like and hit the back button. Once you are done, select the option save changes. Again hit the back button, select the option export local file, and here you can simply select new option to save your draft class. I'll simply name it JJJ and simply gonna save it. You can see file is successfully saved. Now we can simply back out from this. Now guys, let me show you whether the file is saved or not. For that, we'll simply select the option create new league. Again, I'll simply proceed with same things. I gotta select the option roster file. Again, choose the team, then choose the coach type. Again, I'll save and exit this for instance, then hit start playing preseason. Again, go to game day tab and select advanced week. Here we have to sim to regular season and select sim ahead. Once it is done, we can again select the first option, which rookies will we see. Then this time we can select the option import local file and we'll able to see the draft class we have created. And that's exactly how we'll able to create draft classes for franchise in Madden 27. Hope this would help you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.